Hey, this is Don with D.R.C. I'm going to put a belt guard on my trimmer. California trimmer, 21-inch. Belt guard, chain guard. We're going to go ahead and install one right here. This trimmer did not come with one, and it also has a clutch drive. Bracket here. Here's our engine corner. Our bracket sits here. Fender bracket is here. Our belt guard is here. Chain guard. The hole is here. Our bottom bolt is here. Here's our bracket. And this is going to bolt on top here. Go ahead and put our bolt in. This is a 5/16 bolt. And we'll run our nut down in it to hold into place. There's our bolt holding it in place, the motor mount there. And we'll put another flange nut upside down. And we'll put our bracket in. And we'll drop our other nut on top.
Okay, raise this, raise that, tighten this. Size, 5/16.
Holding our chain guard. We have our space above the tire here to clear the tire. You can see the line here, straightens the line. And then we have our bolt here that tightens up here. So this is Don with D.R.C. showing you my bracket, custom-made bracket to hold the belt guard onto my California trimmer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I'll come at you with my next bracket.